Alright, today we're going to be making the Pokemon energies with polymer clay. So the first part of this creation is going to be pretty simple. We're just going to be gathering up the different colors and rolling them into these sphere shapes. It's also nice that they're sphere shaped, cause I've always found objects with rounded edges to be a lot easier to make, as opposed to more angular stuff like cubes or buildings. So now we're going to wipe them down with some rubbing alcohol. This is going to help get rid of any dust or other particles that might have stuck to the clay, which is just going to give it a slightly cleaner look. And now we're ready to bake them. I just had to make sure I put them in very slowly so they wouldn't roll around everywhere. And now we're ready to draw the symbols on. We're going to be using a Sharpie, as you can see. So originally I was going to use black clay for the symbols, but then I realized using Sharpie would not only be easier, but also probably look a little cleaner too. And now that we got the water energy done, it's on to the dark energy, which is one of the cooler looking ones in my opinion. I assume it's supposed to look like devil horns or something. And unfortunately, it was at this point that I spilled ramen all over my workspace. So get ready for a little cleaning montage. Aw yeah, that was some good freaking royalty-free beats right there. It's kinda sad, cause honestly there's a ton of music I'd love to use in videos. I'm just too paranoid about demonetization and all that. Even though most of my videos don't make much money, you never know when something's gonna blow up and make bank. Anyway, back to the Pokemon energy. So I remember being a kid and getting those giant like 50 or 60 card packs of Pokemon cards. And I was always really disappointed when I'd find a lot of energy cards. Like I'd be digging through that thing hoping to find some legendary Pokemon, and then only to find out that like a quarter of the pack are just energy cards. And I don't know if it was just me and my friends, but as a kid we never really played the card game properly. Like we never used the energies or the coins or the game board. We would just play our own little like ultra simplified version of the game. Another kind of like weird funny childhood memory is that there was this group of kids playing with Pokemon cards. And then for whatever reason they just like got carried away and started ripping up their Pokemon cards. I remember one of them had a Beedrill card and they're like, Beedrill, use Poison Sting. And then he like ripped the stinger part off the card and threw it at the other kid. I don't even think they are angry at each other. I think they just felt like being reckless. And I think we all had that one friend who'd get really butthurt whenever you didn't want to trade a card with them that they wanted. But maybe that was also just me. Anyway, we're finishing up drawing all the symbols on, and there they are. All the Pokemon energy is as little polymer clay marbles. Kinda reminds me of like pool table balls. Anyway, that's all for now. Subscribe for more content, and I'll see you next time.